How to deactivate Facebook but keep Messenger active. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deactivate your account while keeping Messenger active. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your Facebook and once you have opened the Facebook, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. And from there, you can simply tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. And once you are in the settings section, you can see the option label Account Center. So simply tap on the See More into Account Center. And here you simply need to tap on the personal details. Now in this section you can see the option label Account Ownership and Control. So simply tap on that. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now choose your Facebook account on here. And once you see the interface like this, simply select Deactivate Account and tap on Continue. Now enter your password to verify your identity, and once you're done with that, simply tap on Continue. Now you will be asked to choose a reason for deactivation. So simply select any option and simply tap on Continue. Now here, as you scroll down, you can see the message of Facebook saying that if you deactivate your account, your messenger will remain active. So it means that even if you normally deactivate your account, your messenger account will remain unchanged and still be active. So simply tap on Deactivate My Account. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.